Got a 2018 Lexus rc350, and it's telling me that the maintenance is required and we need to reset it. This car actually has two reminders for the maintenance, and one of them is going to be on the display here, and the other one is going to be right down here. When you turn the car off, you turn it back on, you'll get a little wrench right here. This one says 7,103, and you also can get a reminder right here. Okay, so this is the tricky one to reset. This one, you just end up using your keypad here and going through the menus. And see here, go into setup and scroll over, and you're going to go down to where it says vehicle. Okay, and then you go over to maintenance, and you can reset what you need to reset through here. We're really not going to explain that or show you that. I'm going to show you how to do the hard one, which is this one right here. Okay, what you're going to do is you're going to use the keypad here to reset it. Alright, you got your menu button here, hit the menu button, then you can scroll over, and you're going to look for that gear symbol there, and vehicle settings. You're going to get this button. This is the enter button, and right there you have scheduled maintenance, oil maintenance. Alright, oil maintenance, reset. Just reset the just change the oil, so, and then scheduled maintenance, I'm gonna go ahead and reset that too. It's that simple. So yeah, two indicators for that. Okay, hope that helped you out.